Welcome to our video on self-defense techniques for everyday situations. In this video, we will provide you with valuable tips and tricks to help you protect yourself in various scenarios. Whether you are walking home alone at night or facing an aggressive confrontation, these techniques will give you the confidence to handle any situation. Let's get started. The first step in self-defense is being aware of your surroundings and taking steps to prevent dangerous situations. We will discuss the importance of maintaining situational awareness and offer practical advice on how to avoid potential threats. These techniques will empower you to identify potential dangers and stay safe. In this scene, we will demonstrate basic strikes and blocks that can be used in self-defense. Learn how to effectively deliver punches, kicks, and elbow strikes to ward off attackers. We will also cover essential blocking techniques to protect yourself from incoming strikes. With practice, these techniques will become second nature and help you defend yourself effectively. Sometimes, the best course of action in a dangerous situation is to escape. In this segment, we will show you different escape techniques that can help you break free from attackers. Whether it's freeing yourself from a grab, escaping from a chokehold, or getting out of a dangerous situation, these techniques will empower you to get away safely. Encountering a weapon can escalate the danger in any situation. In this part of the video, we will discuss self-defense techniques specifically designed to help you defend against common weapons such as knives, guns, and batons. Mastering these techniques will give you the confidence to protect yourself when faced with a potentially life-threatening situation. We hope this video has provided you with important insights into self-defense techniques for everyday situations. Remember, preparation and practice are key to being able to protect yourself effectively. By implementing the strategies and techniques discussed in this video, you can enhance your personal safety and peace of mind. Stay safe and be prepared.